Hey everybody, Ugly American living in the Philippines. Here to do an update on the boat. Pimping our ride. They stopped working because they ran out of nails, but we got more nails at the house, so we're going to get Mr. Lear to bring them over here. But you can see they got some more work down there. I got my real camera here today just to do the zoom, because I can do like 120 zoom on this camera. I don't know if I can hold it steady or not, but anyway, that's a 26 zoom. You can see what's going on. 48 zoom. We got the front end framed up, ready for its piece of plywood. You got the floor pretty much done. There's a hole for the captain or the driver. Alright, so we're getting more and more done. Just gotta keep him supplied with materials, so we don't have a chance to get behind. But it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Other than that stupid steering thing going to be out front. Alright, that's just a quick update. We're going to go get some other things done real quick before the end of the day. Alright. Ugly American. Living in the Philippines. Over and out.